everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sarah and this is Rich and Sarah Learning as We Grow.
Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be.
Alright, so according to our experiment, the purpose is to demonstrate how frequency affects the pitch of sound. You're going to need a few materials, the 6 smallmouth bottles of comparable size, or cups, and a metal spoon. Okay, so I have my 6 different cups.
The number of the day really hops and kicks. The number of the day is 6.
And I also have a pitcher full of water, and so that is all the supplies you will need for bottle organ. Tutors in my community, I do not have a ton of glasses. So what I do is I have 2 sets of glasses, and so we can do a science rotation, and I will have this out. It'll be less messy that way as well. Okay, you're gonna wanna pour a different amount of water into each of the glasses. So I'm gonna fill the first glass almost to the top, pretty full. And then the next one, I'm just gonna kind of go down in order from there and do each one a little bit less full than the first one. And do that with all 6 of your glasses. So you're gonna wanna tap each one. I'm gonna use the back of my knife. You could use a spoon. What do you notice? Do you notice that it sounds lower with the glass that has the most water in it, and then it gets higher pitched, and the one with the least amount of water is the highest pitch. So if this is the lowest pitch with the most amount of water, the highest pitch would be the one with the least amount of water. And we have a helper. So your students will have fun with this all day. You may go home with a headache, but that's okay because it's all in the name of science. So basically what we're noting here is the results. The results, as according to my book, say the bottle with the most water has the lowest pitch. The bottle with the least water has the highest pitch. If you have anybody out there who's amazing and can do like a song with it, that would be great too. Why? Why is this happening? So the results say sounds are made by vibrating objects. The number of times the object vibrates, which is when it moves back and forth, is called the frequency of the sound. As the frequency increases, the pitch of the sound gets higher. Tapping on the bottle causes the bottle and its contents of the water to vibrate. As the height of the water column increases, the pitch of the sound gets lower. So the more water we have in a glass makes the pitch of the sound get lower, and the least amount of water that we have in a glass makes the pitch of the sound get higher. So that is your why. It's a really fun experiment. Tutors, I will have 1 set for you. You're going to enjoy this. It's going to be lots of fun, and you'll have 30 minutes to do this experiment. All right? Thanks for watching.